You've done a lot of work in this space in reliability. What's the future look like for this industry, in your opinion?
Yeah, I love this question because I ask it on my show as well. Uh, I just really think it's an interesting thing to talk to people about and see where their head's at. And for me, obviously, I think, artificial intelligence, machine learning is going to come more deep into the space. It's kind of on its crest right now, but I don't think people are really getting the value they can out of it. That's a separate debate for a separate day. I also think that you're going to start seeing things pop up like augmented reality, virtual reality, where they can be used to help people, not like people in the field, with their job, whether they can see the work orders on their safety glasses or they can hear instructions in their ear. Those types of things, they're sort of coming, but right now we're still in the infancy of what that'll look like. And, it's just going to build out and 10, 20 years from now, I think it's going to be really cool.